Ocean Bayou Yoga. Today I thought it would be fun to do something a little different. We're going to talk about the breath of joy. It's a really nice practice to do in the morning if you're feeling a little sluggish, if you're having trouble building the momentum to get your day going or to get yourself on your yoga mat. It also is really good if you're just feeling a little down or depressed. It helps to build your energy up, to bring fresh prana into your whole system. It's a 3-part breathing technique. It consists of 3 inhales, or a 3-part inhale, and a sweeping exhale with synchronized arm movements. It's a really great practice. It increases the oxygen in your entire bloodstream. It circulates the prana throughout your body and helps to build Agni, which is our internal digestive fire. So it's also really good if your digestive system is being a little sluggish. So not only your mind, but also your digestion will benefit from this breathing practice. The forceful exhale that we're going to do helps to detox the body and to help release tension in our body. It will leave you feeling relaxed, rested, calm, and focused. And who couldn't use some of all of that? When we are calm and focused and we don't have our mind running a million miles per minute about what we need to do for the day or what happened yesterday or what's on our list for tomorrow, we're able to let that little voice in, that still small voice, that some call it our higher self, our consciousness, the universe, you can call it God, whatever it is, we allow that to come through. When we do, it brings us closer to our true self, the self that wants to be joyful, that wants to be happy, and knows exactly what we need. So let's give it a shot. We'll come to the top of our mat. We're going to take our feet hip-width distance apart or slightly wider. I would suggest slightly wider. We're going to bend into our knees. So give a little softness in your knees. No need to feel rigid. You can even shake your arms a little bit. And what it's going to look like is a 3-part inhale that starts off bringing the arms up on the inhale. We're going to inhale a third of the way. Then we're going to continue to breathe another third of the way with the arms coming out to the side. And the last third, we'll bring them all the way up, flip the palms to face up. And as we exhale, we're going to breathe out forcefully with the sound of ha. Okay? So let's give it a shot. So we'll inhale. Ha. Okay, so palms face upward when we're doing this. The idea of having the palms face upward is being able to receive. So when the palms are up, we can maybe hear that little small voice a little bit more. We're more open to the reception of any insights that may come about. If it bothers your wrists, don't worry about it and just have them be however is more comfortable. It's better for you to do the practice at all than to not do it. There is a slight chance you might get a little lightheaded. When your head is lower than your heart, you may get lightheaded. So just be really aware of how you feel. If you get dizzy, then definitely scale back, do 1 or 2, see how you feel, do 1, see how you feel. Don't overdo it. And if you have any high blood pressure or glaucoma issues, you can do a smaller version, like maybe you, instead of going all the way down, you can just give yourself a little and still receive the beautiful benefits of this practice. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do 9 of them. If you need to stop in the middle, then join us back again. It doesn't matter. It only takes about a couple minutes to get this practice done in the morning, and it really is a great way to start your day. Okay, so feet slightly wider than hip-width distance apart. A nice loose bend in your knees, and we'll begin. We'll inhale. Last one. Slowly rise up, close your eyes, let your palms, face forward, strong legs. And just breathing naturally. Noticing how it feels. Noticing your mind. Noticing your heart. Noticing your emotions. Let's go ahead and inhale the arms all the way up overhead. Exhale them down to your heart, bow your head. We'll just take a couple of deep breaths together here. We'll do 3. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. We'll do one more. Inhale. And exhale. Let your hands rest wherever they're comfortable. Now let's try it again. We'll just do a handful of them where we can add a little mantra to it, which is also sometimes fun and just helps to build your mood a little bit more. So we'll try by, and you can use whatever affirmations or words work for you. We'll just play around with a couple. So we'll inhale and to the sound of I. So we'll go ahead, we're gonna inhale, I am, and whatever works for you. I am strong. I am powerful. I am smart. I am beautiful. I am happy. I am grateful. I am love. And then we'll rise back up and take a couple of deep breaths again. Let those words sink into your being. Let them resonate in your mind. Let them soak in. And then we'll inhale our arms all the way up. Exhale your hands down to your heart. And again, we'll take 3 deep breaths. And then we'll seal this practice with an Om. You can join me or just listen. Full deep inhale. Namaste. Thank you all so much for joining me in this Breath of Joy practice. I hope it brings a little bit of joy to your life. Try it in the mornings when you wake up. It's a really great way to just start your day. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the red subscribe button and continue to watch our videos and comment and let us know what you like and what you want to see more of. Thanks so much. Peace.